Chakras are swirling wheels of energy located along the spine, each serving as a gateway to different aspects of our physical, emotional, and spiritual selves. There are 7 main chakras, starting from the base of the spine and extending to the crown of the head. These energy centers regulate the flow of life force energy, also known as prana, throughout the body. If you want to find out a surprising fact about your life force energy, keep watching until the end. You will forever change the way you view yourself and your health. We begin our journey with the root chakra, known as Muladhara in Sanskrit. It governs our sense of security, stability, and survival instincts. An overactive root chakra may result in anxiety, fearfulness, and a constant need for control. Conversely, an underactive root chakra may manifest as disconnection from reality, insecurity, and financial difficulties. Moving up the spine, we encounter the sacral chakra, known as Swadhisthana. It governs our creativity, passion, and emotional well-being. An overactive sacral chakra may lead to addiction, emotional volatility, and a constant pursuit of pleasure. An underactive sacral chakra may manifest as low libido, lack of creativity, and emotional numbness. Continuing our journey, we arrive at the solar plexus chakra, known as Manipura. It governs our self-esteem, willpower, and sense of personal identity. An overactive solar plexus chakra may exhibit controlling behavior, competitiveness, and a tendency towards anger and aggression. An underactive solar plexus chakra may result in low self-esteem, lack of confidence, and indecisiveness. Ascending further, we come to the heart chakra, known as Anahata. It governs our capacity for love, compassion, and emotional healing. An overactive heart chakra may lead to codependency and an inability to set healthy boundaries. An underactive heart chakra may manifest as fear of intimacy, loneliness, and holding on to past hurts. Continuing our ascent, we reach the throat chakra, known as Vishuddha. It governs our ability to communicate our truth, express ourselves authentically, and listen deeply to others. An overactive throat chakra may dominate conversations or engage in gossip. An underactive throat chakra may result in difficulty expressing oneself and fear of speaking up. Ascending to the center of the forehead, we arrive at the third eye chakra, known as Ajna. It governs our intuition, imagination, and inner vision. An overactive third eye chakra may lead to obsessive thinking or difficulty distinguishing reality from fantasy. An underactive third eye chakra may manifest as lack of intuition or difficulty making decisions. Finally, we reach the crown chakra, known as Sahasrara, at the top of the head. It governs our connection to the divine spiritual enlightenment and universal consciousness. An overactive crown chakra may result in spiritual addiction or dissociation from the physical world. An underactive crown chakra may manifest as lack of spiritual connection or feeling aimless. By understanding the imbalances within each chakra, we can embark on a journey of self-discovery and healing, restoring balance and vitality to our mind, body, and spirit. Did you know that chakras are not only found within the human body, but they are also believed to exist in various forms throughout the universe? This intriguing concept suggests that just as each chakra governs specific aspects of our being, such as emotions, thoughts, and physical health, there are corresponding energetic centers in nature, celestial bodies, and even inanimate objects. For example, ancient wisdom traditions such as Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine have long recognized the interconnectedness between human beings and the natural world, attributing certain qualities and energies to different elements, planets, and seasons. Moreover, some spiritual teachings propose the existence of higher dimensional chakras extending beyond the physical realm and linking us to higher levels of consciousness and spiritual evolution. This expansive perspective invites us to contemplate the profound interconnectedness of all things and consider the possibility that the energetic principles governing our inner world may also be reflected in the vastness of the cosmos. To balance your chakras, you can try practices like meditation, yoga, or Reiki. By focusing on each chakra and addressing any blockages, you can restore harmony and flow of energy in your body. Remember, it's essential to listen to your body and pay attention to any signs of imbalance. Take the time to nurture and care for your chakras, and you'll be on your way to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mystical content.